Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing, the Creality K1C 3D printer. Let's dive right in and see what's inside this box. As you can see, the box is well packed with Creality's branding. On the side, you can find some technical specifications and highlights of the K1C model. Let's open it. First, we cut through the tape and open the flaps. The first thing we see is a user manual and some safety guidelines. Make sure to read these things before you start using the 3D printer. Underneath the documents, we have a layer of protective foam. Creality does a great job of ensuring the 3D printer and its parts are well protected during shipping. Here it is, the Creality K1C 3D printer. It's securely wrapped in plastic. Now let's get out of the box. Let's take a closer look at the printer itself. The Creality K1C has a sturdy metal frame, a heated bed, and a user-friendly touchscreen interface. It also features a Bowden extruder which helps in delivering consistent print quality. The Creality K1C comes with a print volume of 220 x 220 x 250 mm, giving you plenty of space to create a variety of projects. The heated bed can reach up to 100 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for printing with different types of filament such as PLA, ABS, and PETG. Inside the 3D printer, we have a power cable, a USB drive, a spool holder, a carbon filter, a scraper, and a few starter tools for assembly and maintenance. There's also a small box containing some sample filament, which is great for getting started right away. The 4.3 inches touchscreen is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to navigate through the settings. You can quickly start a print, adjust temperatures, and monitor the progress of your prints right from the screen. The K1C is designed for rapid prototyping and production, featuring impressive printing speeds. It often includes advanced motion system and high quality components to maintain precision at high speeds. It offers a significant build area, accommodating large prints or multiple smaller items in a single job. Equipped with high resolution capabilities, the K1C can produce detailed and accurate prints. High quality extruders and hot ends ensure smooth and consistent filament flow. Now we load the filament. Simply insert the filament into the extruder through filament runout sensor and use the touchscreen to feed it through until it comes out of the nozzle smoothly. The filament loading process is quick and hassle-free. Now attach the carbon filter, which is included with the 3D printer at the back of the printer near the back fan. Now let's plug it in with power and let's start the setup. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, leave a comment. For more information about the printer, check out the description below.